Hello, everyone, and welcome to this video about cryptocurrencies. Now, we want to get an idea of what are the major cryptocurrencies are doing currently and how we can get some advantage of them. So, let's dive into it. Let's start with the Bitcoin against the US dollar. The price, I can show you if you want as well. The price created that inverse hammer on the weekly chart the previous week, and it's a strong reversal pattern when it founds across support levels or across a zone of demand. And the current week, the price took over. It literally falls broke below this demand zone, and now it's pushing upward. So we expect some further upward move. When I look at the cryptocurrencies, I always like to have the MACD indicator or the MACD on the chart just to get an understanding of how strong the momentum is to the upside. Pretty bullish on the Bitcoin. Ethereum started making higher highs and higher lows. On the weekly chart, the all-time high it's around this area, around 4,000. Let's just round it. Sorry, the all-time high it's much higher. The resistance now it's around the 4,000. This market, it shows that currently lacks momentum because the high here, it printed around 400 on the MACD, then an equal high here, it printed much less on the MACD, and this high here, it printed even less. So yeah, that shows weakness. This bearish engulfing, it's still intact. So if we see the price find it difficult to push higher, we might gonna end up moving downward. So a good buy position if you are investing in cryptocurrencies, it will be the area between 2,800 and 3,000 because we have this fair value price here. If you are using the compounding investing strategy and you want to average your investment, like you buy as the price dips, you can use this level down here, which is another demand zone just above the 2000 US dollar. So it depends on how the price will react. Again, if the price it's going to move out to the upside, then there is no reason to look currently for this level. But some maybe buy limit orders can be, let's say, Solana pretty much the same. This $260 high followed by a lack of momentum by the MACD, but the MACD, as any other indicator and oscillator, momentum oscillator, it shows that the last impulsive move wasn't as strong as the previous one. This is the reason we expect the price to retrace backwards. Now, it was a fair value price at this level. It has been filled now. In case the price will keeps moving upwards, definitely the all-time high around $267, it's going to be the ultimate first target. But if the price starts moving downwards, I personally see the around $100 to be a good area of support. In case the price penetrates that, we're going to see further downward move. But it's too early to talk about these levels now because based on the volatility and the average true range of this market, it's not going to do that before we have an update on Solana again. The ADA against the US dollar, it was pretty bullish last month, and currently the price makes these higher highs. If we're gonna manage to take the high here, then we definitely gonna see more rally, but there are few areas that they need attention. The one is down here and the other is around 40 cents pretty much. because we have these fair value prices, and around these 40 cents, it's also a strong demand zone. XRP, it got a lot of attention by traders and investors lately on social media, actually. What I see as a level of support and a good area to buy, it's somewhere between the 60 cent and the $1. I don't think so. The price, if it's gonna tap into this 1.70 dollars, it's gonna stay and bounce off. I think it's gonna have to move a little bit further, just to offload the strength of the current trend, let's say. So if we use the Fibonacci as well to see the averages, you see that's 0.5%. So I think we're gonna come somewhere at 0.786 or 78.6% Fibonacci. Next one, the Dodge, the weekly chart. Price is in a healthy uptrend. This high is higher than that high. Same on the MACD. The swings are clear. The price retraced quite deep, I can say, from 0.48 to somewhere about 27 cents. It tapped into this fair value price that created by this bullish Marabozu candle and this bullish Marabozu candle. So if the market will keep rallying, we can test the 48 cents and we can perhaps move higher. Now that's not the all-time high, so that's a weekly high. All-time high, I think, is about 78 cents. That's a key swing level where many sell orders have been executed back in 2021. So we can see some sort of reaction here. If the price surpass the 50 cents and keep rallying, and in case it surpasses as well the key swing high around 59 cents, 60 cents, we can understand by the candle size, the body of the candle, if it's going to come with a solid strength and close above this one, then definitely we're going to reach the all-time high. But if we're going to see a strong rejection here, we have to follow through the price and understand whether the market it's going to retrace dip or not. That's all about the cryptocurrencies. If you want to analyze and find out more information, reach out to me. Let me know which cryptocurrency pairs you would like to know, where perhaps will be levels to buy. And yeah, I'll conduct the analysis for you guys. Thank you. good to keep in mind.